Hi guys, hope you are doing okay. This is Ashka from MM Marketing. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to review a product that is called Profit Product Creation. Okay guys, in this digital market you can sell so many things. There are so many things to sell. Okay, you can create products and sell and make money. Okay, to create a product you have to know how to create a product. Okay, now this course will teach you how to do that, how to create ebooks and very nice attractive ebooks that you can create and sell. Okay, why I am promoting this product is you can learn something. Earning, you can keep it for a while, you learn something, master it, then you can earn money at once. If you want to start to earn money, this is not the product for you. Okay guys, so that is my main reason to promote this product. Okay, the product launch is on 28th December 11 a.m. Eastern Standard, and the launch will be there till January 2022 midnight Eastern Standard Time, that is New York time guys. During this period you can get this product for a lower price. Okay, good. To get this product, what you have to do is you have to come to the first link in this description, and you will have to come to my sales page, which looks something like this. Okay, with this profit product creation, I'm going to throw some bonuses, that is called free gifts, bonuses, or whatever you can call it. Those bonuses will be shown to you at the end of this review. So there are tons and tons of mind-blowing, insane bonuses. Okay, all those bonuses will be shown to you, given to you as a gift, even if you don't buy this product from my link, as a gift at the end of this review. Okay guys, so now can we see more about it, what Bryn Kosky is saying about this profit product creation. Okay, I don't have the review access. I have the JV page is there, but the review access is not working, so I'm going without the review access. But I saw someone else review, and in the review page everything is explained nicely. There's a training how to create, so it's very easy. You, as I told at the beginning of this review, this is not to earn money, this is to learn. Okay, first you have to master something, you have to get experience on something, then you have to master yourself, then you will be able to make money. Okay guys, without any knowledge, if you go to make money at once, you will end up somewhere. Okay guys, so that is my main intention, is to promote this product. Okay, now we instantly make 1,000 on every day. These figures, these words are all fancy words, don't believe in this. With done for you products and 100% free traffic guys, free traffic again, don't believe in this. If you want to earn money, you have to spend money. Without spending money, you cannot earn money. The free traffic here, they are talking about Pinterest, YouTube, Facebook, and all other social media. Okay, if you post anything in your Facebook profile, or if you create groups in Facebooks, and if you post nothing, no sales will come. Okay, just people will come and look and go. So if you want to make real money, you have to spend your money in paid advertisements, then only you can get a good return. Okay, that is also depends, but you have to do a trial and error. Okay guys, having said that, okay, now it's your turn to succeed with this exact same profitable system. No budget required, no experience required, no technical skills required. That's, I agree with that. Okay, you don't need money, you have to buy this and everything they are showing. Okay, and those books, those ebooks what created through this this product, I don't know how what do you call, those are all those informations are all dragged from other websites. Okay, you have to in the members area, I saw that you have to place a keyword, or you have to place a URL, then the product will go and grab all those information from those websites. Okay, don't know how reliable, how there's a what do you call, oh my god, I lost my words, in the internet, how that what do you call, that's plagiarism. You have to check the plagiarism as well. Then only it will be a unique article, okay, and if it will be unique article, otherwise there will be issues. Okay, anyway, this is, remember guys, if you want to earn money with this, if you buy this today and if you want to earn money tomorrow, no, this is not for you. This is if you want to learn, how to create products and how and master your skills, this is the place, okay, this is the place to learn how to create products. Okay, after that, once you master, once you do some good extraordinary work to create digital products, then you can sell in any other platform, or you using paid ads to make money. Guys, okay, we made, okay, he says we made thousands of dollars with the exact same system. Okay, beta testers making money within hours, copy and paste, easy system, 100% beginner friendly, no experience needed, no technical skills required, 100% free traffic included. Free traffic, no, don't believe in this. Works from anywhere in the world, 0 monthly fee, 180-day money back guarantee is there. Yes, if it is not working, you can ask the money back. Okay, but I don't know, he will give it that back. Okay, now the price is, no, the front end is only $18, guys. Almost, this is $18. One time investment. Okay, don't hesitate to invest this and learn something. Okay, you can learn if you go to internet, there are so many places to learn, but it will take hours and hours and days and frustration. But if you buy this course from my link, you can learn. Okay, earn, forget about it, you can do it later on. Okay, first learn. That is my intention to promote this. Okay, now if you click here, if you click this here, this product is launched through Warrior Plus. If you click here, it will take to the Warrior Plus. There you can purchase this paying with your any of these payment method, guys. Okay, good. Now if you go further down, they are saying, okay, here are some what is that? This is game changer, more likely life change. Okay, I will read this part. Remember, these are screenshots. I don't know whether this girl earned this money, I don't know, and I don't know what the relationship she has with this earning. I don't know about those things. Okay, anyway, these are screenshots. Don't believe in this. You can, but anyway, this is someone's achievement, but this is not a push button earning system. They might have done a very hard work and they might have reached this. Yes, of course, that's I want to tell you. Okay, now here another person, and this person is saying what he has done and how he is success. Okay, now I will leave that part. Now here I will see what is that. We just click create and everything is 100% done for you. Okay, that may be sure, yes, that you can do, because I saw someone else the review video before doing my review. Okay, in that members area they are showing that. Okay, that's true. Thanks to the magic of modern technology, we are able to generate thousands of dollars all day long. That I am not too sure about that. Once we click create button, our profitable product are created in seconds and stuffed with our affiliate link inside them. With every product that we create, we get paid. At least one product created, we make $27. These figures may be true, but how you are going to make if you rely on free traffic? No, that is not possible. You have to do paid traffic. Okay, if you want to market your product, either you have to open an account in Amazon. Amazon, what is that? Amazon, there's a system. You can market your books. If I remember, I have forgotten that word. In Amazon, you can market your product, books, ebooks, or there are other platforms, free platforms that you can market ebooks. But those things, it will take long time. The free traffic, guys. So you have to do paid traffic. Okay, either you can do the paid traffic, either you can use Google or Facebook ad or Bing ads. Okay, without that you cannot earn money. Okay, I'm sure about this, because I have plenty of experience with these free traffics. Okay, it doesn't work. People come and visit and go sometimes, that's all. There's no conversion, to tell you the truth. Okay, total beginners are finally making pro level money with Profit Product Creator. Finally, a real online system that works for everyone. Okay, guys. Now see, and these are again some testimonials I will leave for you all to read and understand. Okay, I'm coming here back here, what they are saying here. Backed and proven to work by countless beta testers from all over the world. Regular people just like you, seeing real results on it. Did you? No, you're not, you didn't buy even. So you're here he says real people just like you seeing results. No, we didn't see any results because we didn't buy, none of us, or the person who watching all this way, all this review, or myself, we didn't earn anything because we didn't buy this, when we didn't implement and we didn't do anything. So okay, that is irrelevant here. Okay, all beta testers started with no experience and no technical skills. That is true. No experience, you don't need to be very experienced to create an ebook. But here why I'm saying, why I'm promoting is, this is the good place to learn. Okay, because Glenn Kosky is a very good product creator, so he has put his skills. So that skills you will not find anywhere else. That's what I'm promoting these guys. Okay, but all I'm making good money. Maybe this, okay, this is a big figure, 100, this is a 6 figure, and don't know whether this girl, the lady is making this one. I don't know what is the relevancy she has with these figures. Maybe a screenshot, okay, or graphic design, but don't believe in this. But what you have to do is you buy this and give your try to create ebooks. Different with one ebook you cannot make money, so you have to keep on practice that. You have to do the practice, you have to give attractive, and you have to do some research, what people want, what people buying, so you can create those books and market and say earn income. But here again I'm remembering, my intention to promote this is to learn, for you to learn. This is a good platform to learn how to create digital products. Okay, that is my main intention. Okay, not making money. Now I'm not saying you're not going to make any money. If you buy this today, you're not going to make any money tomorrow. That's I am giving. Okay guys, you're not, this is the quick 3 steps you have to purchase. Okay, urgently grab your copy, and step 2 is this is the 3 steps to how to do that. Okay, log in and select some contact for your brand new product and watch the app create this for you inside 60 seconds, because it is grabbing others information from internet. So that's all we needed. That's true. And monetize. Step, add your affiliate link and sales into, hit the traffic button and watch the magic happen on autopilot. No, this is not sure, guys. This is not sure. You have to, as I told you, you have to do paid traffic to market your product to earn money. Without spending money you cannot earn money, guys. Okay, again, that's the 3 steps she's saying. You are okay, just this 3 tiny steps, you are to your best life. Okay, forget anything, anyone, alarm clocks, no more demanding boss, no frustrating committees, no frustrating commute. Okay, say goodbye to financial warriors. Okay guys, these things, again, these are fancy words to attract you to this product. Okay, instead the life you will always dream of, all the freedom you want, unlimited time with friends and family, money, luxury, inner peace and fulfillment. That means here, if they say, if you buy, you don't need to worry about this, you will get all this. Guys, you have to have some sort of sense. Okay, this is, you are going to create an e-book. Okay, and if 5,000 people buy this product, okay, and if they are creating you same thing and marketing, how many people will go and buy? That is a big question I have. Okay, that is a big question I have. Okay, and everybody should have. Again I am saying, this is not to earn money, this is to learn something. Okay, these are some proofs. I don't know. Okay, I'm just leaving for you all. The rest of this most of the sales page, you read this and then you decide. Okay, I'm recommending you to buy this and learn how to create ebooks and how to create very attractive, very informative, very nice ebooks that you can create with this platform, because in the members area everything is there showing very nicely, because the Glenn Kosky's experiences, he is putting that. that experience you will not go and get anywhere. Okay, that is my intention, main intention, promote this product, guys. Okay, the best boss on the planet you. Millions of people have recently seen how risky it is to work for others with no control. Your income can be cut off at any time. Having your own digital product is the great way to take back the control. Whatever you want to replace your job for good, okay, or just pad salary with an easy side hustle. Okay, good. Here for the saying, the upsides are amazing. Create your own digital product empire with easy. That's true. We make a full-time income in ways less time than it takes in most regular jobs. That's not sure. Then the intent never close, so our profit can flow 24/7. That is this 24/7. They are trying to say 24 hours a day, 24 hours 24 hours 20 hours per 7 days. Actually they had to put the mark here, the times mark, not this is a division mark. Okay, in the mathematical, if you when you come to mathematical terms, this is the division mark. Okay, not the times mark. For here, if you want to say 24/7 365, they have to put the times mark here. Okay guys, anyway, with the right system you have achieved lifestyle income in just couple of hours per week. Okay, this digital work don't need a paycheck but keep paying us. That's true. Okay, but paying us, that's true. How we are going to make to pay you, that is the question. Okay, you have to ask Glyn. Okay, he will say go and do the free traffic. No, don't believe in free traffic. You have to always depend on paid traffic, because that is the only thing where you can promote any of your sales, guys. Okay, that's, remember that. Okay, the richest marketers never get stuck trading time for money. Instead they use one and done assets that generate profits 24/7. 24 times 7, it should be not this mark again. Online, the best assets are often the simple ebooks, reports and guides. They are fantastic for driving free viral traffic. Don't believe in this. Building subscribe list, yeah, that may be possible, yes. Making sales by selling them as paid products. So skyrocketing commissions from your affiliate promos, making recurring income with membership sites. Okay, good. Now best part is simple digital product can make consistent daily sales, commission and leads. How? That is the question I have. I don't know. I don't have an answer for that. Again, I'm insisting, if you want to earn money, do paid traffic. Most online methods are opposite of passive. They are too much like a job, demanding your ongoing time and effort. Okay, there are what methods? Those are e-commerce, video making, social media marketing, affiliate marketing and CPA. That is okay. And now work involved to help hopefully make money. Here saying, what they are saying is here, best part, simple digital product can make consistent daily sales, commission and leads. Most online methods are those opposite of passive. They are too much like job, demanding your ongoing times and effort for all these methods. Okay, and good. Here they're saying again, work involved to hopefully make money. So store, set up and optimize the daily product updates and create and promotion, consistently creating new video content, daily posting and group maintenance, creating promo campaigns, writing emails, posting in social groups, uploading review sites, constant tweaking of campaigns, building bridge pages, optimize offers and paid traffic. This they are saying, if you get any of these work, you have to do all these things. Okay, we'll say what are they going to say. Okay, now all the methods for you to trade them for money, to get paid, you have to you have to got to keep working. That's true. That's true. Okay, that's not a business, that's a job. It's a way better to set something up once and get paid from it for life. That is the specialty of digital products. Okay guys, okay, if you create a product, and if you are lucky enough to create a good, nice, attractive, informative, powerful information products, and if your customers are attracting towards, then you can, with one product, you can keep on earn recurring incomes. Okay, whenever that you have to spend only one time to create a good digital product, and then if you can do a proper marketing method, and then if you go on viral, then money will keep on coming, nothing to worry. That's what they are coming to say from here. With this, exactly what happens when you have your own digital assets. Okay, simple digital products get daily results in our business like this. These results are someone's screenshot. Okay, this someone's screenshot. You're not going to make this tomorrow. We have to work hard. Okay guys, remember that. One set of these digital products do all the hard work for you. We are an army of digital assets bringing in constant lead of potential sales without ever having to lift a finger or leaving the house again. Okay, grab Profit Product Creator now and save 50%. Okay, they are saying about the product price. This is the product price. Okay guys, don't hesitate, go and buy, learn and master yourself, then you can apply that system to earn money. Okay guys, that is my main intention, to promote this product. Again I'm repeating. Okay, here again they are saying unlimited income potential. Everyone knows this richest digital market having their own products. 8-figure marketers like Patty Flynn, what is he saying, makes over $2.1 million in the last 12 months from offering marketing and product sales. Okay, that's true, these are true stories. Okay, but to reach this place, you have to be a very good digital product producer, and you have to market your product properly. Okay, then you can reach it. But once you buy this product today, you're not going to come to this place. Remember that, because my work is to do the review, and I want to tell what is good, what is bad, what is right, what is correct. That is my work of doing this review. Okay guys, good. Now here, this is a Neil Patel. Okay, he is of course, Neil Patel, everybody knows, he is a very good SEO. If you want to learn about SEO, that is search engine optimization, you have to go to him. Okay, his products are some kind of digital products, yes, in a different section. Okay, not in these ebooks. Okay, but yes, these are true. Okay, so again this says brand name marketers like these, along with dozens of others, bank millions of their own products. Sure, they often sell high-end software and coaching. Yes, he's a very good, Neil Patel is a very good coach. I know him. Okay, that's true. Okay, what most people don't know, these 8+ figure marketers use ebooks to drive traffic, generate leads, direct people to their offers, and make passive income. That is true, because most, if you go to Neil Patel's sites, that is I agree with that, because if you go to Neil Patel's the site, he is explaining most of the 40% or 50% video coaching and 50% ebooks. The instructions you have to read and understand. Those instructions are created through ebooks once and for all. He has done only those videos and those instructions once and for all, and he is earning money. That is true. That is exactly true. Okay guys, you can too. Okay, you can too find an incredibly easy, highly rewarding home business. It's so easy. Why isn't everyone doing it? Okay, Massive and Profits reach to find a topic that's in demand. Hundreds of hours working to source relevant useful information, disassembling the content into a unique product that people actually want. Dozens more hours fast at last, building authority so customers trust you enough to download or buy, designing e-commerce and graphics to make the product appealing, building leads, delivery, thank you and upsell pages, paying for domains and website hosting. Okay, but you have again you can too find incredibly easy, highly rewarding home business. It's so easy. Why isn't everyone doing it? Okay, these are the things that you can. Excuse me, guys. Okay, if you go further down, or you pay outsourcers. Okay, between $400 to $1,200. That's true. If you outsource, they will pay. You have to pay lots and lots for even for one product. Here, if you buy and if you can master yourself through this profit product creator, then you can save all this money. One day or the other day, you can become a master and you can sell your products even in Amazon. Okay, good. Okay, for even them. Okay, hundreds of, okay, well, we will see what he's saying here. Hundreds of hours of your time or thousands of dollars to creators outsourcing or the products outsource per product. Okay, it's now wonder 90%, 95% of these online marketers don't make a dime. Okay, fine. The cost and time investment are just too much. Okay, especially for people trying to build an online business on a budget. And if you are an existing marketer looking to diversify with your own products, the same barrier keep holding you back. That's why we developed a software giving you an unfair advantage. Okay, good. Now if you come here to tap into the widely profitable digital info market is under 60 seconds. E-learning is already a huge market. Before the global pandemic, this industry was forecast to grow $360 billion by 2025. Okay, and today is growing at a record-setting rates, and these are the most popular topics to create content for right now. Okay, guys, you can see this. You can read this leisurely yourself. With the current global recession, now is the best time to start creating your own digital product. That potential audience is huge. Okay, good. People are desperate for more info, to learn new skills, and are happy to pay for it. Now is the best time in history to get into front of the multi-billion-dollar market. These are just a few headlines we picked out regarding the demand for home, the education, and spike in search of people looking for online education and digital courses. Okay, there says, okay, people are ready and willing to put out their credit cards to buy your product. Yes, if your product is good. Yes, if you can product anything, even if you can create recipe books, any information, or you can create a ebook how to walk your dog, or how to bring your dog in a healthy manner. You can create. There are so many subjects, guys, in today people are looking for. If you get this product, and if you can study the skills, and if you can produce those ebooks as per they saying, yes, you can make a very good fortune. Okay, remember that. For that you have to do paid traffic. Don't depend on free traffic. Okay, good. Okay, okay, here what they are saying, we just click create and everything is 100% done for you inside that members area. Yes, okay, fine. Thanks to the magic of modern technology, we are able to generate thousands of dollars all day long. Once we click the create button, our profitable product are created in seconds and start with our affiliate links inside them. With every product that we create, we get paid at least one product created $27. Here this is a funny thing. Okay, one product created $27. Yes, you can sell, I think. Yes, give a try. First of all, learn and master your skills, because when you're producing books, it should be very the content should be very, very attractive, and people should need those contents. Okay, and people look for those contents. So you have to make your digital product in those contents then it will be attractive to the customers. And once the first step is the difficult part. Once you climb the first step, then you can keep going. For that you have to work hard. Okay guys, then after that I think these are true, these will be possible. Okay guys, okay, those dollars amounts are pure profit. These are no expenses or hassles. We create product stuff with our affiliate links to get results fast. It doesn't get any better than this. Okay, we are making this. Again, don't believe in these figures. These are someone screenshots. Don't believe, but you can reach to this. Okay, you can reach, not overnight. Okay, and remember, there's no push button $1 million system in anything, any field. Let it be online or let it be offline. Okay guys, good. If you go further down, they are saying we are seeing the results on hourly, daily and weekly basis. You can reach. For reach, there are some steps you have to follow. First you have to learn, then you have to master your skills, then you have to do the research what people are looking for, and then you have to create contents on those needs. Then you have to market in a proper way. Then you can reach. Definitely you can reach that if you do exactly what I said now. Okay, good. If you go further down here, saying again, they're repeating what to do. They're just 3 clicks: purchase, create, monetize. Okay guys, good. Now if you go further down, now here again, this don't believe in this someone's results, someone's real results. I don't know whether this girl is earning this. Maybe this is a graphic. Okay, maybe they are using other graphic products which I have done reviews as well. How to bring what is a PNG, what is PNG graphics to PNG human. What is that product I reviewed? It's a JVZoo product. There you have lots of PNG background removed products. If you buy that product, you can get these thousands of these kind of graphics. Okay, so maybe this lady maybe don't know what she is doing at all. She might have posted for a picture like this, and these people are merging that her picture with this design maybe. Okay guys, so don't believe in these things. Believe what I am telling. If you are watching here, go back first and watch the entire review video. You will get what I am coming to say. Okay, once we will hit create, the profit never stops rolling. My goodness. Okay, do these again. Don't believe this. You have to work hard. Okay, then you can learn. Then you can. If you just buy, you are not going to get this. You have to work hard. Okay, anything you have to work hard. Anywhere you have to work hard. Let it be online, let it be offline. If you want to make money, you have to spend money and you have to work hard. Once you put everything together in the digital books, okay, everything put together, then if it is kick started, then you can forget about it and you can just stay, because it is going to keep on. You have to create only one digital product at one time, and then it will be a passive income or recurring income. Okay guys, that is the best part of digital products. Okay, good. Now here ultimately we have come to the profit product creator introduction part. Here, launching profitable ebooks, lead magnets, digital info products and minutes without writing a single word of content. Let those software find you engaging content from a massive library of over 250,000 articles. Automatically scrape content from any web URL with the advanced built-in conversion tool. Leverage any combination of include content or your own from 100% unique products. Save $100 on designers with the included point and click e-cover generator. Unleash your own army of potential profitable digital assets working for you 24 hours and 7 days per week. Okay guys, that is true if you can create a very nice book. Okay guys, very nice ebook or digital product. Okay, good. Okay, now here if you click here, you can get this product from the Warrior Plus, because it is launched through Warrior Plus. Okay, again they are saying the 3 steps repeating. I'm not reading that. I'm going down further. Okay, now 13 powerful reasons why you need to grab profit product creator now. Okay, we'll see. Hurry, act fast before this offer is removed. We will be closing our doors at any moment to prevent saturation. The price rise every hour. Our members get paid to copy and paste text, all inclusive traffic solution. We are building our email list fast. Forget about that. Profit product creator gets us paid without doing any selling. 100% free buyer traffic, don't believe in that. Wallet in hard buyers. Okay, finally experience your breakthrough. No monthly fee, that's true. Pay once and use forever, that's correct. Zero our overhead cost, correct. Act now to lock in hundreds of thousands of dollars in extra bonuses. Zero risk, 80-day 180-day money back guarantee is also there. So why do you worry? Okay, go and buy and enjoy, learn. Okay, learn and earn. Okay, just buy and don't earn, you will fail. Buy, learn, earn. Okay guys, Profit Product Creator is easiest all-in-one app we are created to generate profit with 100% free traffic. Don't believe in this, all by just copy and pasting text online. Okay, don't believe in free traffic, no, don't. Okay, these are the e-commerce they are talking. Okay, I will leave the demo video also in this YouTube description. You can watch that. Okay guys, I cannot play because my YouTube channel is monetized. So if I play demo video, I don't know whether I will come to copyright issues, and I don't want to share my revenue with the copywriters, so I am not playing my demo video here. I will leave those demo video in the description. You can watch that guys. Okay, here there are samples of ebook covers. They says you can create with this Profit Product Creator. Okay guys, then if you can do this, you no need to pay for the designers, and you can save hundreds of thousands of dollars for creating many e-covers for your books guys. Okay, forget about these products. Okay, good. Now how many times you will click create? Okay, forget about that. I'm going down further. Okay, again this is a graphic design. Okay, the secret to a successful home-based online business in the list. Okay, we'll see what is that. Having a list is best way we are found to succeed online. Whether you're affiliate marketing or selling your own product, email lists are the holy grail. Oh, email marketing, forget about it, that because you have to have a very fat email list. Then you have to do solo ads. It's very expensive. To do email marketing you need at least $10,000. Then only you can do a very good email marketing guys. Okay, with the small list, with believing in free traffic, you cannot do email marketing because no one will read your email, because I also receive hundreds of emails. If I go to my email, there are nearly 4,000 emails in one of my mail. I never read those things. Okay, remember that. Imagine, so for that, if you want to do a good email marketing, you have to do solo ads. For that it will cost around $10,000. Don't remember that. Imagine, okay, now we'll see. Okay, I will leave this part for you all to read this guys. Okay, I will leave this part for you all to read and understand. Okay, go ahead. Again, here they are talking about some products and the profits and money they earn. I will leave. Okay, this is the product they are talking about. Profit Product Creators. Okay, here get free traffic, no, build your list, generate more income. These two I'm not sure, but this thing you can do if you put your effort accordingly, correctly, then you can do this. Get free traffic, build your list. These two things I don't believe. Okay guys. Okay, here says packed with results, generating time, saving features, maximum success, minimum effort. Okay, that's true. Okay, that is true. Okay, again, if I'm going down, general sales and commissions from multiple award-winning affiliate networks, that is Amazon, JVZoo, ClickBank, GoDaddy+, Shopify affiliates, and Pay.com. What is this for? Grab. Okay, these generate sales and commissions from multiple award-winning affiliate networks. That means, yes, if you create your products, you can market your product on all these platforms. Okay, that's true. But you have to create accounts, and those things are there. You cannot go and just publish in JVZoo, just publish in Warrior Plus, you have to do so many, you have to, before publishing your product in this platform, you have to go through so many steps. Okay, you remember, if you create an ebook, okay, you say you're lucky enough to create a very good ebook, and next day you cannot go and publish anything. I think, but in ClickBank, yes, you can, but not in JVZoo, or not in Warrior Plus and Shopify, or in any other platform in Amazon. You cannot do that. There are so many steps to go to reach that, but you can. Okay, good. Further down, okay, we'll say we'll say what is here, future proof your business with drive income streams. Okay, Profit Product Creator is great for list building and affiliate marketing commissions, but it brings so much more to this table. Okay, skyrocket big ticket commissions. Effortlessly create custom bonuses to crank up conversion on premium offers. We are doing this to bring in big sales and commissions fast. Okay, that's true. Passive recurring income, the holy grail of digital marketing. We are generating recurring profits with our products. Just bundle up a collection of your Profit Product Creator digital product and change monthly for access. Pro tip is add a new product each month to keep the members excited and paying. In just takes 60 seconds. Okay, direct sales for 100% profit. You will be making pro level digital products packed with so much value, you can easily sell them for top dollars, especially now when e-learning is exploding. Okay guys, now this again, coming to this section, the income possibilities are endless. Everything you need to create and promote is included. Okay guys, what you see, what is that? It starts with a design. The software create highly engaging ebooks and reports on the topic of your choice, then provides with your stunning design that add the massive value, and of course you can customize anything. Included in powerful cover creator that lets you to wipe up professional covers in seconds and stand out whenever to promote. Okay, I'm not in a position to show whether this is real, because I don't have the review access to this product. My review action link is not working. Okay, so I don't have review access to this product, guys, remember that. Okay, no need for expensive designers or software. Stunning professional ebook and covers are point and click easy inside. That's maybe true. Okay. Then we shows how to promote. Okay, once your product is ready, time to get it out there, and Profit Product Creator has you covered. The software included dozens of top converting landing pages, templates you can customize to promote your product. Then just connect your autoresponder again. Here it is coming. You need a autoresponder. That is a minimum autoresponder. Monthly fee is $15, guys, remember that. We even include thank you pages that deliver you new product to your new subscribers, because the autoresponder is necessary if you want to build a list. Okay, if you want to build your email list, otherwise this is not necessary. Okay, you can directly market your product in those platforms, or if you do paid traffic, you can market your product in the Facebook or Google or Bing ads, using Bing, those paid traffic platforms. You can market your product. Okay, no need these autoresponders and building your email list. Okay guys, remember that. Okay, see now here say all pages are hosted for you on our premium service. Okay, serves hundreds to thousands of hosting and domains, all thousands and domains. All your promote and delivery pages are hosted for you. Okay, because they are going to host this as a subdomains, and although I don't know how much, what is the guarantee that they are giving these subdomains will ever last for. Okay, that is you have to consider. So that's what I'm telling. With this you cannot make money, but you can learn something, master your skills, become a professional ebook or digital product creator, then market your product using other methods, not these people methods. Okay, you can give a try, and either by the same time you can market your product using other platforms, which I told you before. excuse me guys. Grab Profit Product Creator now and save $50. Okay, that is their prices. Okay, most importantly, we help you get sales. Wow. Inside the members area, you will find detailed video training and downloadable guides. You will see how to master the software in minutes, then multiple best practice to maximize your results even if you are completely new to online marketing. Wow. Discover exactly how to use Profit Product Creator to maximize traffic, leads and results. Okay, these are again more reasons why you need to secure your copyright. Now these are some testimonials. I don't know whether these testimonials are given by these people and these are their people's results. I will leave this part for you to decide guys. Okay, we are using 100% free traffic to get paid with our 100% done for you profitable products. 100% done for you profitable products, correct. 100% free traffic. No. Okay, here this is some this is another screenshot. I don't know whose screenshot is this. Okay, this I don't know this whose income screenshot is, not mine. Okay, getting results from your own digital products is finally just 3 simple steps. Okay, fine. So I'm going further down. Okay, we'll see what is here. Succeed in any niche with Profit Product Creator, even monetize your personal interest and hobbies. That is also possible. Okay, if you are a person with a good hobby, you can market that product. Creating a digital product, you have to put your 100% effort to create only one, then you can market. Then if you accelerate that product, then income will come to you. That is true, 100%. Okay guys, good. Now if it's finally change your life, creating high profitable digital products, we are living the life we always dream of. We have quit our 9 to 5 work from home. We have quit our 9 to 5 and working from home. We never travel the world or free. We were bought new property and cars. Okay, those I will leave. You can read those things. Those are some fancy stuff. Okay, here's exactly what you get when you grab Profit Product Creator today. Okay, we'll see automated digital product creation from the included database of 250,000 articles and growing. Automatically pull content from any sites just by entering a URL. Start from scratch and your own content or mix and match 100% unique products. Profit and point and click professional cover creator, premium fully customizable landing pages and templates done for you. Thank you product delivery pages, free hosting of all your landing pages and delivery pages on our secure servers. Okay, those are things what you will get if you buy this Grab Profit Product. Okay, sorry, this is a Profit Product Creator. Okay guys, good. If you go further down, step by step from start to finishing training is there, and world-class support, because your results matter to them. Okay, and you normally need to invest you normally need to invest thousands of dollars to create digital products like these. Okay, they says, okay, if you want to outsource your work, okay, you have to spend thousands of dollars. That is true guys. Okay, I will leave this part for you all to read. Okay, this I think almost this video is going very lengthy now. Okay, we will see. Okay, multiple high powered bonuses take your results to the next level. Okay, these are some bonuses the vendor is giving. Okay, you can don't this opportunity, grab this if you wish. Okay, because I will show my bonuses end of this video. I will very quickly I'll stop this review. Oops. Okay, 100% free traffic softwares. Oh, come on. Guaranteed approval to high converting affiliate offers. That's good. Okay, private FB support group. That's good. Customer only workshop. That is good. Those are the bonuses you are going to get from the vendor, guys. Okay, the free traffic, don't believe. Okay, simply don't believe. Import. If you are not happy, we don't want you to your money. It's the same. That's simple. Okay, good. Give a try. If you don't want, ask the money back. Okay, but you will not hesitate, you will not lose anything, because you will learn so many things, because Glenn Kosky's experience is putting here. That's you cannot go and get that for $18 from anywhere. Okay, that's you have to think about it, because I have to tell the good and the bad about this product. Okay guys, there are some goods, there are some bads. Okay, that's what I'm doing my review here. Okay, the first 50 customers get access to my 250 per hour commission boost app. This bonus alone will literally change your life instantly. Okay, that is the this bonus you're going to get for get the 50 first 50 people will have the opportunity to get this bonus as well. Okay guys, that's all I have to talk about. There are so more things. I will leave all these things for you all to read and understand, because this almost my product the review went for a long time, I think. Okay, so you're going to spend only $18, and you're going to learn, because my full of intention to promote this product is not to make money, to learn, master your learn from scratch, master your skills, then market your product in other platform, then make money with this platform. Also give a try if you are lucky enough. Yes, okay, because some people, they buy the product and they then forget about it. So you have to put your effort, you have to put your time, you have to put your effort, you have to put your money to become a successful online marketer. Okay guys, now I'm coming to my gift part, or free bonuses, or whatever you can call that. You have to come to that for a website called idplr.com. okay, in this idplr.com you have 12,590 PLR products. That means private label right products. You can download this product and you can do whatever you want, reproduce, you can sell. Again, you can use download this product and create your digital product using that platform. Okay guys, and then you can resell and you can do whatever you want. Here you can register this account for free, and if you come to the free section, you have free ebooks, softwares, videos, audios, graphics and templates to produce your bonuses or do your promotions with this. And if you go up to the product section, there are so many products. If you are not satisfied with these free products, here you have to pay a small subscription, and it is worth to pay. If you want, if you like, you can pay and get this, or else this free stuff is more than enough. You can create your free account also guys. So with that, I'm coming to almost end of my review of this Profit Product Creator guys. Don't hesitate, you're going to spend only $18 and you're going to learn a hell of a thing to create digital products using a very good platform, that's for sure. Okay, I'm not giving any guarantee that you're going to make any money tomorrow if you buy this link from my product from my link today. Okay guys, okay, that is one way, and there are many ways to make money online. Okay, that's another way, which if you have YouTube channel, if you are posting good content videos, and if you are doing that for, then you can earn YouTube revenue. That for that you have to provide good content. You have to make good content good content videos, and you have to publish those videos, and at least you have to work around 8 months to 12 months to reach, because to get more YouTube monetization and YouTube revenue, you have to earn 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. It will take 8 months to 12 months to do that. Then you can earn YouTube revenue. But there's another course which I have already bought and I implemented. Now my channel is monetized. I'm earning revenue, YouTube revenue. I will leave that link in this description. You can watch that course and you can take action and you can get benefit also guys. Okay, that's all I have to talk about. If you are new to my channel, please consider to subscribe my channel, because I used to do review digital products, cloud-based softwares, and I help people to make money online, and I also do tutorials as well. So for that, to get notified about all those things, you have to subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. And before leaving, leave a thumbs up to this video and go, because your thumbs up will make a good impact in this YouTube algorithm, and YouTube will push my videos for others to watch as well guys. So leave a thumbs up and give a comment about this review and go. Thank you very much. See you soon in my next video guys. Thank you very much for watching my review video. Bye bye.